Hello everyone, John Williams here, your guide from Kimberly Nurseries. Today let's dive into the wonderful world of pond-style water features and learn how to keep them shimmering and serene throughout the seasons. Pond-style water features are the crown jewel of any landscape, bringing the beauty and tranquility of nature right into your backyard. Whether it's a serene koi pond or a cascading waterfall, these features create a mesmerizing focal point that enhances any outdoor space. While they offer unmatched beauty, they also require a bit of maintenance to ensure they remain healthy and vibrant. One of the primary challenges with pond-style water features is algae control. Algae thrive in environments with ample sunlight, nutrients, and stagnant water conditions often found in ponds. To keep your pond water clear and algae-free, consider using an algicide formulated specifically for ponds. Follow the manufacturer's instructions diligently to maintain a proper balance and avoid harming your aquatic plants and fish. Additionally, introducing beneficial bacteria to your pond can help break down organic matter and reduce nutrient levels, effectively starving algae of their food source. But maintaining a crystal clear pond goes beyond just controlling algae. It's critical to establish a balanced ecosystem with a variety of aquatic plants and fish. Aquatic plants not only add to the beauty of your pond, but they also play a vital role in maintaining water quality. They absorb excess nutrients, provide shade, and also some shelter for your fish. They also help to oxygenate the water. Fish, on the other hand, contribute to the ecosystem by consuming the algae and also insect larvae, further reducing the likelihood of an algae bloom. Together, plants and fish create a homogeneous environment that helps keep the water clear and healthy. Regular maintenance of your pond's filtration system is essential for keeping the water clean and clear. Clean or replace the filter pads regularly to ensure optimal filtration efficiency. Check the pump and intake screen for debris, leaves, and other obstructions, as this can impede water flow and strain the pump. A well-maintained filtration system ensures excellent water quality and promotes a healthy ecosystem for your aquatic plants and fish. As the seasons change, it's crucial to prepare your pond for the colder months ahead. In colder climates, consider investing in a pond de-icer to prevent the surface from freezing completely, allowing gases to escape and oxygen to enter the water. Trim back any overhanging vegetation to prevent leaves and debris from falling into the pond and decomposing, which can lead to a nutrient buildup and algae growth. If you have fish in your pond, gradually reduce feeding as temperatures drop to help prepare them for winter dormancy. During winter, continue to monitor your pond and make adjustments as needed. Consider installing a pond net to catch any debris that may blow into the water during winter storms. And don't forget to check your pump and filtration system periodically to ensure everything is running smoothly. In summary, maintaining a pond-style water feature requires a bit of effort, but the rewards are well worth it. With a balanced ecosystem, proper care and attention, your pond will continue to be a source of beauty and tranquility for years to come. If you ever need assistance with your pond or any other landscaping needs, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you create and maintain the outdoor oasis of your dreams.